Welcome to Aim Profit Pursuit, the place where your journey towards financial freedom begins. In today's video, we will dive into the impressive performance of PG ElectroPlast, a leader in OEM and ODM manufacturing, known for plastic injection molding. It was founded in 2003. A PG ElectroPlast now operates 11 units with over 5,000 employees. It serves key sectors such as air conditioner, washing machine, and electronics. Now, let's walk through their quarter 1 financial year 2025. In quarter 1 financial year 2025, PG Electroplast showed outstanding financial growth. Revenue brought in 1320 crore, which is almost 95% year on year growth, right? And this is the EBITDA data also reached 135 crores almost, and 100% growth shows with the margin of 10.2%. And this is the net profit 84.93 crores, 151.2% growth. A strong cost controlling operating leverage also shows the this is the chart of net sale. Here you can see in this graph the net sale has continuously increased, and also the expenditure also has increased, but my point is, here I just want to show you EBITDA data has increased or not. Here you can see, or you can deduct expenditure from net sale, then you will get EBITDA data. And here in this year 2024, EBITDA data also has increased. So this is the actual data of net sales 1321, and this is the expenditure, and this is the 131 EBITDA data, right? Obviously in 2022 it was 50 crore, and 2023 it was 76 crore, but now in 2024 it has increases. So it is a good sign of this stock or share. Now this is the data of EBITDA, and we will add other income with it, but we will deduct depreciation and interest, then we'll get PBT data. PBT means profit before tax. It has also increased after paying tax. The PAT data has also increased. PAT means profit after tax. It also called net profit. Net profit also has increased, right? So this is the actual data, other income. This is depreciation and interest after pay, and this is called PBT data on 101.51 crore, and after paying tax it is 55.3 crore, and in 2022 it was 27 crore, and 2023 it was 34 crore, but now in this year it has almost 100% increased, right? Now I have already showed you the EBITDA data. This has increases, right? And this is segment wise insight. We'll see, looking at their business segment. This is room air conditioner pulled 882 crores, right, which is 130% year on year growth. Obviously washing machine achieved 72% year on year growth, reflecting steady gain in this segments as well. PG Electroplast achieved Technoplast achieved a 984 crores revenue in quarter 1, right? Each segment here, this is the chart, here you can see segment wise chart also has increased. Actually each segment is clearly contributing to PG Electroplast overall growth. Here you can see the overall growth, right? Now we'll see stock performance and ratio. They have also made significant improvements financially. Net debt reduced 448.63 crore to just the number of 74.81 crores. It is really a good sign of a company. Return on capital employed 28%, highlighting operational efficiency, right? Better working capital management to boosted operating cash flow, right? Now we'll see The future outlook of PG Electroplast. PG Electroplast has ambitious goals for financial year 2022. It has set a target 3,650 crores, which is almost 33% growth. Goodworth Electronics JB set contribute 600 crores. A new integrated RAC unit in Rajasthan will support this growth alongside this focus on product innovations and capacity expansion, right? This is the key clients here. In this image, you can vividly or you will see all the clients are reputed clients or all the companies are reputed. So you in this image all this in this image clearly shows you the how much potential in this company was there. So now we'll see the daily chart. Here you can see the daily chart also has increases, and now this is the weekly chart. Weekly chart also shows this bullishness, right? Obviously this is the good share. Now I will see industry and market trends, right? The company is well positioned, benefiting from Make in India and PLI schemes. However, they also have faced growing urbanizations and rising demands for consumer durables, increasing market share through new client acquisitions. Obviously, every company has to face risk and challenges. Likewise, PG Electroplast also has faces some risks like supply chains disruptions and raw materials, price fluctuations, competitions from domestic and global players, potential impact on margins in this year. Now we'll see conclusions and final thoughts. Impressive growth with strong fundamentals shows this company, right? And well positioned for long-term success through innovation and efficiency. Do through research and consult financial advisor before investing. Okay, call to actions, like, share and subscribe for more stock updates. Comment your thoughts on PG Electroplast future prospects. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching.